Okay guys, I want to show you what we do. We're doing a blackout package on this GMC Yukon Denali, okay? Now, we're blacking out the grill. We're blacking out the grill. We're going to leave the GMC in red. We're blacking out the little chrome fog light covers. We're blacking out the Denali on the door. We're blacking out the chrome trim on the door. And we blacked out, this is called a chrome delete. We blacked out the chrome around the door, as you can see. We actually wrapped this with a flat black wrap, okay? We're going to black out the black in the back here. The GMC is going to be red also. And my guy's wrapping up on the finishing touches of wrapping this chrome trim around the door. As you can see, we use a 3M wrap. It's one of the better wraps, okay? And it's very pliable. It goes on really smooth. We use the best 3M. We don't buy all the off-brand wraps because we want our product to last a long time. Also, we got a Mercedes we're blacking out. We did the wheels, and we're getting ready to do the calipers red, and the customer's wheels were silver to start with. The wheels look awesome. We got a Lexus over here where we're doing the same thing. We're blacking out the emblems. We're blacking out the F Sport, the IS250. We're going to black out this Lexus logo. Come to the front. We're going to do a tint. We're going to do a light tint on the headlights. Just a little smoke. We're going to give it a little smoke look. And we're going to do a smoke tint on the Lexus logo on the front. So as you can see, at Houston Wheel Repair, my Wheel Doctor, we do some of everything to cars. I mean, you bring it here, if you dream it, we can achieve it. We have a car over here we do a full paint job on, had body work, and it was in an accident. Our guys just got through painting it. We're getting ready to wet sand and buff this car. Paint looks awesome, came out great. And we got a car here that needs some hub-centric rings. We're having the rings made special to order. The customer's having some vibrations with his wheels. So as you can see, we do some of everything at Houston Wheel Repair. Bring your cars in for blackout, chrome deletes. We're the best. We can get it done within 24 to 48 hours. 713-942-0294. HoustonWheelRepair.org. MyWheelDoctor.com. Another reason why we are the best. Okay, sorry about the nighttime video, but I want to show you the truck finished product. We blacked out the front grille. I'm gonna see if I can get you some better lighting. Okay, we blacked out the front grille, and we blacked out the GMC logo here, where we left the red GMC. It really stands out. It looks awesome. We did the chrome fog light inserts. They look awesome. Chrome fog light insert over here. As you notice, there's no overspray on this truck. We got the Denali blacked out. We got the trim nice and clean looking. And on the back, we got the blackout for the GMC as well. It's nice and smooth, and we left the red for the GMC. So as you can see, the truck is blacked out now. It looks awesome. It just really, really brings it out. Changes your truck. Just little subtle changes, but it's gonna make yours stand out different from when you roll up to a next Denali Yukon. I mean, this truck really looks great. Also, we got a Maserati in. We're getting ready to do a blackout package on this Maserati. We're going to do the wheels black. We're going to do red on all the chrome accents. Red on the fender flares. We're going to do the Maserati emblem in the middle of the grille in red. We're going to do the Maserati emblem here on the back fender in red. And we're going to black out. And we're going to do the red on the Maserati on the tailgate as well. So as you can see, we get a lot of high dollar upscale cars. We're actually doing a wet sand and buff on this Nissan. We did a complete paint job on this vehicle. My guy's buffing it out now. So HoustonWheelRepair.org, MyWheelDoctor.com. This is the reason why we are the best. Don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel. Okay guys, this is a daytime video of the car. We're done. I want to show you the blackout on it, what it looks like in the daytime. My guys just did the top roof rack. The customer added it at the last minute because he wanted everything blacked out. So we got that done for him. If you look at the top roof rack, it's black. The trim's black. and we're just doing some touch-up work on the back. So truck came out awesome. It's totally blacked out now, and this is what we do. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com.